6.7.
This is Mr. Brown's class, group number 1.
This is not surviving the beginning.
No!
What?
Yo, wait, why is the top not shaking?
Wait, they're trying to help.
You're so bad.
They have
Don't touch it, Jack.
I know, it's all like there and it's not even at the top. Why is it the second row? The second row is not moving.
It survived.
Wait, they put extra.
This is Mr. Brown's class, group number 2.
Wait, where's Ashton? Not. Oh no. I'm back.
Jackson is stuck on surviving the first round.
Look at the top.
The top, you going.
Yo, why is it top going so hard? Oh my. Yeah.
Wait, bring the
9.8. 9.8. Nice job. This is Mr. Brown's class, group number 3.
Yes, the top is.
I'm gonna slow up. I just want to see it collapse on itself, like go like this.
I kind of wanted to do it pretty low.
I wanted to get to the final.
Let's go. It's doing so well right now.
It's
gonna make it all the way. Oh no!
Wait. It's doing the same thing as that.
Don't touch it. Calder, back up.
No!
33.6. 33.6. Nice job. Nice job. This is Mr. Brown's class, group number 4.
Wait, what is this? It's like an extra piece.
It's gonna
25.3. This is Mr. Brown's class, group number 5. This is Mr. Brown's class, group number 6.
Put in all this work of like 2 hours to just get glitch, 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 glitch. We got it. We got it.
This is not even blue, it's bouncing.
Wait, what is happening?
Wait, that was never playing.
Wait, glitch, 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 glitch,
It's right. This is Mr. Joyce's class, group number 7.
It looks good.
Oh, that looks pretty sturdy. It's getting sturdy.
What are we at?
Oh, you're at 8.
It's broke at 9.
It's broken.
You're 9.
Oh, this is looking pretty sturdy.
Oh yeah, Declan.
Oh, guys, you gotta win Mr. Joyce's first.
Oh wait. Yeah.
10?
Oh, it's shaking. It's shaking. Oh no.
11.
12.5. Go type it in. 12.5. All right. This is Mr. Joyce's class, group number 8.
The best.
We're gonna get 8.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's already vibrating.
It's already vibrating. Oh, it's so sad.
I'm gonna.
It's chilly. It's chilly. It's chilly.
What's it at?
It's at 10. We're beating them. We're beating them. Yeah. Isaac, what are we at? 17.
Twenty-four point three. All right. This is Mr. Joyce's class, group number 9.
Oh, it's already cooked. Wait, no. It's actually not. I'm gonna say 10. 10? No, it's go. Yes, we're good. We're at 9. Oh, no. Yeah, that's why I said 10. No, the top isn't shaking. It's wiggling so much. No, the top isn't wiggling. Only the bottom. Hey. It's actually good. What is that? Yeah, I think it works. We're absorbing the pressure. We're absorbing the pressure. The bottom absorbs it. Okay.
Don't touch it.
17.6.
This is Mr. Joyce's class, group number 10.
Come on. The break. It's too stiff. I'm a bad.
It's too stiff. Yes.
You want my service to be good. Break. Dude, we want the whole Joyce team to be good.
Yeah, we want to be good.
So you get to the bottom is shaking less than the top. Which one everyone else is doing? That's what it effectively doesn't matter. You guys are gonna get so high. Bro, I know. What are we at?
Don't touch the table.
What are we at? 8, 9. Yeah, look at that.
The middle's so stable.
Yeah, it's not moving. It's not. No, literally only the bottom. It's winning. It's gonna win like the bottom. It can win. Yeah, like it just does this thing. What's it at? 23.
39.4. All right, this is Mr. Joyce's class, group number 11.
Joyce's first training.
Oh, you want it to break.
Snap. The bottom has to snap.
Where's the top?
No, these two diagonals have to snap.
That's how it looks like.
5.0. Nice job, nice job, nice job. All right, this is Mr. Joyce's class, group number 12.
Come on, guys.
Come on. And it's not that.
Those team pieces are freaking.
Guys, don't be like
We
Group
need
7.
like one of the bottom.
Be like Group 10. Be like Group 10. Be like Group 10. Be like Group 10.
That's kind of what happened.
We're second. Oh!
You wanted that.
Yeah.
You guys are at 12. Don't worry.
Hey, it's okay.
At least they.
I wouldn't tell you that.
That is.
Wait!
It's going all the way.
What's it at?
17.5.
You're on the roof line.
Are you re-signing on something? 20. Bouncing up and down.
It's tilted down. What's it at?
24.8. 25.1.
No, it is so like
20. It's at 28.
28.
This is Mr. Levner's class, group number 13. Type it in. 10.3. This is Mr. Levner's class, group number 14.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Why is there an extra piece of wood? They're cheating. Wait, yeah. Come on, survive. Oh God.
What's your extra piece of wood?
We're at 9.6, guys. Let's go.
This is Mr. Levner's class, group number 15.
1, 5, hey, boom, hey, boom, hey. I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby, you know what's happening. You know what's I got a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Down on the floor.
This is Mr. Levner's class, group number 16.
I'm a Star Wars Padawan. I can look it up.
Oh yeah, Lecter. Oh no!
My force is radiant.
Don't touch it.
All right. This is Mr. Levner's class, group number 17.
Oh, yeah. 17. Bro. No! It's good! Push! That's what happened to ours. We can do this. Oh, you're not really can. All right. On my side. What's so proud? Hey, that's me.
Let's go.
Twilight's last gleaming, through the stripes and bright stars, through the perilous seas, and the ramparts we won, were so gallantly gleaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting.
This is Mr. Levner's class, Group number 18.
Give me a I believe!